Hey guys, so today I'm going to be testing out the GLAMNETIC lash anchors. So I've been seeing like GLAMNETIC all over Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and I'm like, why are they so expensive? Like for one pair of lashes it's like $20 or $30, and then just for the eyeliner it's like $40, and I'm like, no, like that is so much money. And so I'm like, what is really the difference between the ones you can buy at the drugstore and GLAMNETIC, which you can actually buy at Ulta now? So I am not willing to try GLAMNETIC for that price, but I saw these lash anchors and I did a little bit of research and they seem pretty promising. So I already have my magnetic liner on. I just have to put the lash on and then these, and we will see if that kind of helps me keep them on all day, because even like with the magnetic liner it stays for most of the day, but towards the end of the day the corners definitely start popping up. No matter what glue I use, no matter what method or technique I use, they just will not stay on my eye, and I don't know why. So hopefully these will help. This little thing was only $7 at Ulta, and there's 20 of these in there. This little case feels like a cassette case, and I'm like, what in the world? So I'm going to put on the lash band, and then we will try putting those on, see how they work, see if they're hard to put on, see if they're hard to take off. So yeah, we're gonna test it all. Alright, so I'm going to try to put these on my eyes. These have 5 magnets, and the anchors also come with 5 for each eye. So I think that looks pretty good. Now we're gonna try the lash anchors. These would probably be easier with tweezers, but I was dumb and didn't think of that, so yeah, here we go. Okay, so that's not even attached to my skin in that corner. Redo. Okay, it looks like it's on now. Did it stick? These little things would be so easy to lose though. This is like hard, you guys. That still isn't even on my wow. That one just flipped down now too. Why is this not working? I thought this was gonna work. Maybe I would just do it on the corners and not in the middle. I think that's what I'm gonna try today, just because I think I am missing one, but I have no idea where it went. So that's really cool. Did it stick to anything? No. This is the worst. It didn't even stick to anything. I don't know if I like these. Like, this is a lot of work just to put lashes on. Yeah, it looks kind of ratchet, in my opinion. Like right here, like something looks funky. It just does not look right. This one, like, I don't know if you guys can see, but like right there, it's not even on my skin for some reason. Lashes just frustrate the hell out of me, and that's why I never freaking wear them, because I don't know why, they just don't work for my eyes. This is so frustrating. I hate this. So like this isn't even sticking to my eye for some reason. Freaking dumb. Alright, so I think I got it down. It still does feel kind of like heavy and strange a little bit. I feel like you just really have to like use your finger, kind of make sure that they're sandwiched in the exact place. I think what the issue is that my lashes are pretty thick, and with the mascara on it, I think it might not be thin enough. So I think maybe another time I will have to try it without putting mascara on. I'm going to keep these on as is, and then we will see how these stay on till the end of the night. It's 12:20 right now. I'll probably check in around 9 maybe. So yeah, I don't think they look too bad. I think it would be a lot less noticeable if I had like other eye makeup on and not just lashes. So yeah, we will be back tonight. So it is now 9:43, so I've had them on for 9 hours, I think. Yeah, they actually did hold up pretty good. That is not lifted. That is not lifted. Still there. Still there. So yeah, I actually think these might work. Like I said again, I have to try them without putting mascara on my eyes. Let's see how that goes. But this was actually kind of a good experience. I just need to remember to use tweezers, because I feel like that'll make the process a lot easier and faster. I will update when I'm able to wear just the lashes with the anchors with no mascara, and I will update you in the next clip. Alright, so I've been wearing these for like 9.5 hours at this point. I did not put any mascara on before I put any of the magnets on, so I put on the lash, and then I put on the anchors, and then I just put mascara on like right here. So it did have a lot better of a hold on all of those corners. None of it fell off. It stayed on really well the entire time. Right here you can kind of tell that like the original magnet on the lash kind of didn't really stick on the best, but that anchor held it in place. And you wouldn't really be able to tell that unless you were me or you were like really up close in my business, which no one is. I think they look really good. It's just this little one, and I'm sure now that I pointed it out, you can probably see it and you're like, But yeah, I think this is going to be a really good thing. So 2 thumbs up for these little anchors. I'm wondering like how long they will last, if I can use them like forever, if other brands make them, I'm kind of wondering. So yeah, we will see. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I will see you later. Bye.